And next on the list is the other Speedster that we had, which is a 1914 Overland Racecar, yellow over black. It's got a build book with, I mean, a gazillion parts that go with it, a truckload full of parts that go with this thing. 240 cubic inch Overland inline 4, 3-speed manual. Just a nicely done race car from like the Corky Cokers vintage guys would race, and they all race in period correct garb.
Yes.
And it's so cool. I mean, it's just absolutely such a cool thing. And it's not for the faint of heart. You know, it may not go that fast, but it really feels fast when you're basically have no protection, no seatbelt.
Yeah.
You know,
it's a horse carriage with an engine.
With an engine, yeah.
What it is.
And especially if you're the passenger. The driver at least has got the wheel to hold on to.
Right.
The passenger's over there looking for, you know, is there anything I can hold on to?
Right, navigator.
Like my buddy. Yeah.
Hold on to your heart.
Yeah. And what a cool car. And I think it's sold. I'm pretty sure that it is. So you missed that one. But, you know, don't forget to check out the Peerless because it's rarer than hen's teeth. It's rare and desirable, which is what we always say. People say, I've got a rare car, but does it make it valuable just because it's rare? No. It makes it valuable because it's rare and desirable.
Correct.
So,